Hi, my name's Andy Chipling. I'm a paper plane professional and I'm going to make a plane that's called Hannah. We fold this in half, get a nice centre line, fold it over again on the other side. We are going to fold this back to here and then we fold this back up again, leaving a small gap, about 1 centimetre at the top there. Now we're going to fold into the centre and again leave a little gap. Now this is the bit which is slightly more fiddly. We're going to tuck this into here, just tuck that inside, just hook it underneath that piece there. Now we bring that together. One of the fun folds we've got to do is this one here. This is the trickier one to do. We fold this up, fold it back again, fold that up as a triangle like that, open it up. Now we've made our creases. We open this top up here and squeeze it together, so you've got that. And that will actually lock the nose together once we fold it over. So now we're going to fold the wing over. So we're going to line it up with there. So where that intersects with that. And again, same on the other side. Squeeze that down where it intersects with that. So it's like so. So we've got this so far. And that's now locked at the front there. Because of that way that's been folded in there. Now we're going to fold our back wing up here. Crease this over. And again the other side. And then we're going to fold this up into itself like so, wings down, and now you're starting to see that giant tail starting to come up. Now if you want to, you can adjust it by trimming it here like so, and it's really fun. It looks good. It looks a bit like a space shuttle, but it's not. It's called Hannah, after my daughter Hannah. And here we go.